And now we're going to look at how to decode flat keys. Just as we learned with the sharp keys that the sharp furthest to the right is always the number 7, now we're going to learn to decode the flat keys. The 4 keys we'll be working with here are F, B flat, E flat, and A flat. Just as the sharp keys are very good keys for playing guitar, the flat keys are very good keys for writing music for horns, trumpet, trombone, clarinet, or anything that's in key of B flat or E flat. These are very good keys for that. As you can see, we still have the wheel of thirds, which is 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, 4, and 6. And in this case, the flat keys, key signatures decode the number 4. The last flat to the right is always the number 4. If we take this first flat here and we think of that as the number 4, we can then move down 4 lines and spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we will see that this bottom space here becomes the number 1. If this is 1, then the space above is 3, the space above that is 5, the space above that is 7, the space above that is 2. And rotating this wheel in the opposite direction, the space underneath would be the number 6. So now we have properly decoded the key of F, where the first space above the first line is the number 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, and the number 6 below. So right here is where the number 1 is at in the key of F in this case. When we have 2 flats, the furthest most flat again is the number 4, automatically, the number 4. So again, if I go, this is 4, 3, 2, 1. And now this line right here becomes where the number 1 is at. So the line above becomes the number 3. The line above that becomes the number 5. A ledger line above that would be the number 7. Rotating down, the line below this is the number 6, and the line below that is the number 4, and one ledger line below would be the number 2. And therefore this center line here now becomes where the 1, or the do, of the B flat would be, just as this space here is where the 1 of the F is at. If we move down to the next key here, E flat, the last flat again is the number 4. This time, instead of going down 1, 2, 3, 4 to this bottom line, I'm going to change this up a little, and I'm going to go up. If this is 4, then this space above here must be the number 6, and the space above must be the number 1. So here we have this space here being the number 1. If we count down 4, 3, 2, 1, we will also notice that this line here is also the number 1. And this gives us an opportunity to label all the lines or all of the spaces. In this particular case, we're going to label the spaces. 4, 6, 1, continuing, the space above would be 3, going backwards 2, and then 7, etc. So now we have 7, 2, 4, 6, the root 1, and 3. This bottom space could also be numbered as the number 1, and we could do the same numbering this way. 1, 3, 5, 7, 2, ledger line above, 4, ledger line below, 6. And you will see these numbers fit in between those numbers. Between 7 and 2 on these 2 spaces is the number 1. Between 2 and 4 on these 2 spaces is the line 3. Between 4 and 6 on these spaces is the line 5. Between 6 and 1 is the line 7. Between 1 and 3 is the line 2. And as you see, this system will work on either the lines or the spaces. I like to label the lines because the lines are positive space and gives my eye something to anchor on. This is one of the reasons why clefs are always placed on lines, because it's very difficult to see a clef that's placed on a space to see that it is on the space. Clefs occupy a position on the line a lot easier, or much easier to see with the eye. So when I number keys, if the number 1 lands on a space, I tend to like to number the lines because I find that easier for my eye to capture. It really doesn't matter because it works both ways. Now, for this A flat here, this last flat here would be the number 4. So that would be right there, the number 2, and the space just below it right here would be the number 1. So this is where 1 is at, the root, and this would be 3, 5, 7, and then going down, this bottom space would be 6, and this space below would be the number 4. Now, another thing happens with the flats that you'll learn when you study even with the ABCs. Only in this case, with the F, does the flat sort of hang out here by itself, and we have to figure out that it's the number 4 and work our way down to the number 1. But you'll notice that the flat before the flat, in other words, here is E flat, before the E flat is B flat. Since this is the number 4 here, and the flats are placed by putting them up 4 and down 5, up 4 and down 5, which is exactly the reverse of sharps. In sharps, we went up 5, down 4, up 5, down 4. Here we're going up 4, and then down a fifth, up a fourth, and then down a fifth. So what happens is, the flat before is where this thing always lands, because we're going up a fourth, that number would be 4, this number here would be the number 1. So another way to see this is, here is a B flat, the flat behind the second flat in the row is the number 1. And that is another way in which people figure out where 1 is at. Of course, it doesn't work for F. So here in F, it's this space. Here in B flat, it's the flat before, or on that line. Here, if we take the same ruling, the flat before would be on this space, or going down would be on this line. Either of those, this is number 1. And then here, again, if we take the flat before, A is where our number 1 is at. We also have an A up here, of course, and we have down there. So these are taking the circle of thirds, the last flat is always the number 4, and that's a surefire way of figuring out how to number the staff. And now we're going to number this piece. This is in the key of F. You can see here is the flat, which makes this the number 4. So then 4, 2, this then becomes the number 1. And I can confirm the key by looking at the very last note, and you see it ends on an F chord on the number 1. So this is definitely F major. So this song goes 1, 1, 2, 7, 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 2, 1, 7, 1. Jumps up to a 5, 5, 5, 5, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 1 1 2 7 1 2 3 3 4 3 2 1 2 1 7 1 5 5 5 5 4 3 4 4 4 4 3 2 3 4 3 2 1 3 4 5 6 5 4 3 2 1. America. This next piece is the Battle Hymn of the Republic, and it is in this key. And if we look here, we will see there is the flat on this top line space right here. That is the number 4. So if we count back 4 3 2 1, right there on that flat or that middle line right there is the number 1. Again, if we look at the back, we will see B flat is the chord it ends on, and the number 1 is the number that it ends on. So that is where the number 1 is, on that center line. So this piece starts 1 7 6 5 5 5 5 5 4 3 5 1 2 3 3 3 2 1 1 1 6 6 6 7 1 7 1 6 5 6 5 3 5 5 5 5 5 5 4 3 5 1 2 3 3 3 2 1 1 2 2 1 7 1 5 4 3 5 1 2 3 1 6 7 1 7 1 6 5 3 5 5 4 3 5 1 2 3 1 1 2 2 1 7 1 ends on 1, so we've confirmed it. 5 5 5 5 4 3 5 1 2 3 3 3 2 1 1 1 6 6 6 7 1 7 1 6 5 6 5 3 5 5 5 5 5 5 5 4 3 5 1 2 3 3 3 2 1 1 2 2 1 7 1 5 4 3 5 1 2 3 1 6 7 1 7 1 6 5 3 5 5 4 3 5 1 2 3 1 1 2 2 1 7 1. The Battle Hymn of the Republic in the key of B flat. The next flat key we use Camptown Races, and as you can see, here is the rightmost flat, which is the number 4. 3 2 1. So the bottom line is the number 1, and it already has a flat on it, so it's called E flat. So this is the key of E flat. If we look at the last note, we will see the chord ends on an E flat and the note ends on the number 1. So that confirms that the bottom line is the number 1. So this starts on 1, 3, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 6, 5, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 6, 5, 3, first ending, 2, 3, 2, 1, 5, 5, 5, back up there. Second ending, 2, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 5, high 1, 6, 1, 6, I'm sorry, 6, 6, 1, 6, 5, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 6, 5, 3, 3, 2, 3, 2, 5, 5, 5, 3, 5, 5, 6, 5, 3, 2, 3, 2, 1. We'll use the second ending. 1, 1, 3, 5, high 1, 6, 6, 1, 6, 5, 3, 4, 5, 5, 3, 3, 5, 5, 6, 5, 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 2, 1. Camptown Races in E flat. This is Donna La Mobia, and has 4 flats. The last flat here is the number 4, 3, 2, 1. So that makes this space right here, the second space into the staff, the number 1. Or this flat. Since the flat is on the A line, we call this the key of A flat. If we look at the very last note, we see the chord is A flat, and we see the last note is the number 1. So that space is where the number 1 is. So if that's 1, then this part starts on 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 7, 7, 2, 1, 6, 6, 5, 5. And then here 3, 3, 3, back to there, but for the second ending 6, 6, 5, 5. 2, 3, 2, 2, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 6, 3, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So this song goes 3, 3, 3, 5, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 7, 7, 2, 1, 6, 6, 5, 5, 2, 3, 2, 2, 5, 2, 3, 4, 3, 3, 6, 3, 5, 6, 5, 5, 6, 5, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is the key of A flats.